Had any luck?
Oh. Yeah. This guy here. Cup.
Get.
Cup. Sit down now. Sit down. Get good. He's all right.
Yeah. Last week was nice and warm. This week, not so much.
Really good right here, man. Trout. Catch some good sized trout here.
Yeah.
And then today, man, we were just using some cards. Nothing there. That was good there too. But,
Yeah, sometimes down there by the hot spring, the bass will be up there because it stays warm.
we're at
Up there where the steam's coming out. Yeah. There's another hot spring back there too.
Yeah, I'm not from here. I'm from California. I'll be up here for this.
I'm gonna take apart this reel and get home and see what's making that noise. It's really mucky over here. More water right here. It looks like it comes in that earth muskrat layer, which sort of looks like it. It's got this nice little cut right here. And it's frozen. Oh dear. Walking straight into tree limbs. Alright, now that guy's done, we're gonna head over here to the hot springs quickly. Very quickly, and head back very quickly because we don't have a lot of time left before I want to head over to the other spot. It is it's 3 degrees above freezing. It was 35, if I remember correctly. Not to mention there's like a 12 to 10 mile per hour wind advisory today. So that's lovely. Oh, there's a bird there. We're heading out of here. It's freezing. I might stand underneath the bridge for a little bit, but first I'm gonna have to warm up my hands before I can retie. Because I cannot tie anything right now. Woo. Goodness. Whoa, gotta be careful here. There's nice big holes in the ground. You guys probably can't really hear it very well though. Me walking through this brush, it's probably extremely noisy. All that. So I just ate that post over there. Oh, you're all locked up. It's probably freezing actually. Not locking up. Alright, I'm gonna work my hands real quick. Yeah, I guess I wasn't recording. I thought I was. There's a tree here at one point. Now there's a bridge. There's ice everywhere, there's still weeds. Figures. Alright, we're gonna go head over to the spillway, I guess. gonna try to bum a cast over here where those pipes and everything are, and then we're gonna go down to the spillway. I'm gonna run. See you guys when I get there. Let's get over here and start casting. I think we're going this way. Oh, that scared me. Yeah, it's pretty deep right there. Now I'm wishing I would have put a stronger leader on here. I have no more leaders, so I'm not just fish a straight braid. Okay. There he goes. I'm down to straight braid. Chances of me catching something now are even smaller. Now we're just gonna do swim bait. No doubt the same snag I got my blade bait stuck in. No doubt about it. Got my swim bait back, although its hook is bent. I do not cast over there anymore. Kidding me? Just gonna handline whatever it is in. I think it's just some sort of like maybe heavy log. It's a big ol' honking stick. Oh, lost my swim bait. Now!